In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts on GoHighLevel. If you want your pages to feel on-brand and easy to read, updating fonts inside GoHighLevel is quick and straightforward. Start by opening GoHighLevel and signing into your account so you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Sites section. This is where all of your websites and related assets live. Click it to open the Site Tools, then choose the Websites area to see the list of websites in your account. Locate the website you want to work on and open it. You'll land on an overview where you can manage content. Head into Pages to see every page within that site. Pick the page that contains the text you want to update and click Edit to launch the page builder. Once the builder opens, click directly on the text element you want to change. That could be a headline, a paragraph, or any text block. When the element is selected, the Settings panel appears on the right. Make sure you're in the General tab, which controls the core styling for the selected element. Find the font family control and open the drop-down. Here you can select the typeface that matches your brand. As you try options, watch the live preview so you can immediately see how each font affects readability and personality. After choosing a font family, adjust the font size to set the visual hierarchy. Larger sizes help headlines stand out, while smaller sizes are best for body copy. Keep accessibility in mind. If a size looks tight on desktop, it will likely be harder to read on mobile. Next, set the font weight. This controls how bold or light the text appears. Use heavier weights to create emphasis and lighter weights for supporting text. Consistency is key. Try to limit your design to a few weights so the page feels cohesive. As you make these changes, keep an eye on spacing and line breaks. A different font may take up more or less space, so a quick scan of the section helps ensure everything still aligns nicely. If you're styling multiple text elements on the same page, repeat the process by selecting each element and applying the same font choices for a unified look. That's all you need to update fonts on a page and GoHighLevel. Take a moment to review the preview, confirm it matches your brand, and you're ready to continue designing.